Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 Chevrolet Traverse LTZ. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, power sliding sunroofs, as well as DVD entertainment package, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. So you get this gray interior with paneling storage on the bottom next to the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows, seat memory, and chrome accent handles. Here we're going to have these power adjustable, heated ventilated leather seats. Nice. And left side will be your ventilation with lighting control. And left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, and as well as heated steering wheel. With the right side being your voice recognition, source, and volume control. And on the infotainment there, you're going to have your Bluetooth connectivity, as well as just your AM/FM radio with built-in DVD. Oops. And as well as navigation right there. All the climate controls on the bottom, as well as the heated ventilated seats with trailering, rear wipers, and your power liftgate. And you're going to have the shifter with the cup holder, as well as sliding storage with a 12-volt. A little extra storage right there as well. And the passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated ventilated, the wood and chrome there. A little extra storage right here. And then here you got your radio lamps and your power sliding sunroofs. So you're gonna have these 20-inch wheels on Michelin X-High Snow SUV tires with paint match mirror caps and chrome door handles. Got the roof rack up top. You come to the back. You're also gonna have the dual exhaust system there. And normally you got the third row here, but right now we got this huge WeatherTech mat for so much more storage. You're gonna have cup holders, speakers on each side, as well as extra storage down below with hooks on the side. It's a very spacious rear. And onto the rear here, you get more paneling and storage next to speaker, built-in cup holder, power windows, chrome accent. Hop back, pretty decent leg room. DVD screen right in front with USB and auxiliary right there. Climate controls with USB ports at the bottom. Little captain chairs, sunroof up top. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2015 Chevrolet Traverse LTZ, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as heated ventilated leather seats, power sliding sunroofs, DVD, entertainment, so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.